We're turning detective in this episode and we need your help in locating a long-lost 1937 Dublin-built Morgan 4.4. Sidney Booth last saw his Morgan ZC 2138 on Castle Street, Bray, County Wicklow in 1960. The Gorman Brothers of Rathmines, Dublin became Morgan agents in 1937. To encourage local manufacturing, Irish governments from the 1920s supported cars built from completely knockdown kits. The 4.4 was the first car made by Morgan with 4 wheels. The car had a steel chassis, an ash frame and a 4-speed gearbox. The 10 horsepower Coventry Climax engine was good for over 80 miles per hour. In 1937, Gorman Brothers built their first Morgan, chassis number 329, to gauge interest in the car for Irish motorsport. Chassis 329 was later sold to Sidney Booth and registered as ZC 2138. Gorman Brothers went on to assemble a total of 4 Morgans in 1937. All 4 Morgans competed in motorsport. Des McCracken won the 1937 Leinster Trophy at Tallaght in ZC 1176. Sidney Booth saved hard in 1937 to buy his shiny black Morgan for £295. Ian Booth recalled his mother was once shocked by 83 miles per hour in the Morgan on the way to Loughlinstown in Dublin. Sidney Booth last saw his Morgan ZC 2138 on Castle Street, Bray, County Wicklow in 1960. Sidney's son Ian Booth would very much like to learn what happened to his dad's Morgan 4.4. Can you help? Please subscribe. Your support helps preserve and share the rich history of Irish transport.